Hello everyone, this is Anmol Gera, and today we're going to see a very like a mathematical brain teaser, you can say. So we have a diagram. The diagram is an histogram with n columns of length a1, a2 till an. Basically हमको हर index के corresponding we are given height, like it's c2 to 1, so it's basically कि first index का जो histogram है that is of height 3, then 2, then 2 and then 1. तो जो हमारा goal है that is to find the largest number of known overlapping dominoes that you can draw inside the histogram. A domino is a 1 cross to a 2 cross 1 rectangle. Okay, so let's see this example. For this input and in this figure, whatever we can do, we can draw at most 4 dominoes. So our question is, for a particular given array, how many dominoes we can basically find. Okay, so this question can be thought of a chess coloring problem. So let's first color this figure as a chessboard. So we know that in chessboard basically we have alternate black and white. So I've done something like this. The drawing is not good, but yeah, the intention is basically in this, and I've drawn this as a chessboard. Now we can see we can draw a domino if we have equal number of white and blacks. That is slightly less intuitive at first, but you can just pause the video here and you can see that this will always work. Right, if we have equal number of white and blacks in the figure, that many dominoes we can build. So basically, what we can do, we can count the number of blacks and number of whites, and the answer would be minimum of them. Like because if we have, so let's suppose we are left with two extra blacks. Whatever we do, whatever geometry you can say, whatever jugaad we do, we can at most make uh, basically the number of white squares we have. Yeah, that is the thing. So basically in this question we just have to find out, if we color this like a chessboard, how many white squares or black squares we'll have. Yeah, that is the question. So how can we code it? So the code is very simple. I have taken an array as an input. I have created a vector of size 2. So in count I percentage 2, basically initially it would be 0, then 1, then 0, then 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 karega, and that also that will also fluctuate 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. In this I'm scoring the basically AI by 2, and this I'm scoring AI plus 1 by 2. Let's suppose this was 3. So if this is 3, then we know for a fact, let's suppose okay, so if it's 3, so in this 1 would be stored, and in count 1 2 would be stored. Now when we'll come to this is 2, so in this will become now count 1. This basically 1 would be stored, basically we'll add up, will basically we're adding the values, and in this will become count 0, and in this initially there is 1, now also 1 is stored. So basically in count 1 we'll have 2, and after this basically in count 0 we'll have 2, and in count 1 we'll have 3. Similarly we'll continue this process until the very last, and we'll print out the minimum value. So this is basically the intuition behind the chess coloring algorithm. This is something of a chess coloring algorithm, which I call it because I've seen multiple questions like this over like the past 6 months, which is similar. The intuition is very similar. Okay, so I hope you got the idea. If not, just see my code and figure out yourself. You will be able to figure out. That's my promise. Okay, so thank you.